are so adorable. What if we did a makeover? Okay, let's pick our characters. Wow, first up, Jessie and Woody.
Hi.
Ha, and one more spin. Yay! Buzz Lightyear and Bo Peep.
Hey, everyone.
So, who do we start with?
Start with me. No, start with me. I'm first. No.
Stop. Rock, paper, scissors.
Yay, I won. Fine.
Don't worry, everyone's getting a look. Let's head to the craft room. Welcome to LaLiLu Spa.
This place is amazing.
Have a seat and get comfy. You can take your hat off. I'll leave you in LaLiLu's very capable hands while I sketch out a design.
Jessie, pick a face mask. I want the diamond one. Excellent choice. Now, a foot soak. Pouring in the Orbeez. Wow, pure bliss. We moisturize the hands with cream. Time for a manicure. You're gonna look great.
How was your spa time, Jessie?
Just amazing.
Time to get to work. Here's my salon.
Wow, it's so beautiful in here. And that dress is just gorgeous.
Yours is gonna be even better. First, let's take your measurements. Sleeve length, waist, skirt length. Now let's pick the fabric.
I just don't know. Help me out, Lali.
Good thing you've got me. Take the fabric and cut out the pattern pieces. Fitting time. Ta-da! The base is done. Now we need a skirt. Trace the template onto the white fabric. Oh no, what did I do? I know how to fix it. Let's draw a cow print. Cut it out. Jessie, look at this print.
Wow, it's my favorite cow.
Perfect. We'll add some tulle underneath. And white lace details. Now the sleeves, and a belt, and accessories. Ta-da! The look is done.
Lali, the dress is magnificent.
Well, that's what designers do.
Thank you, Lali.
Let's check it off the list.
What's next?
Next up is makeup. I love this part. Let's add some glow. Just perfect.
And here's the veil.
No!
Lali, are you okay?
All good. Let's add the hat too. Now that's more like it.
Chef's kiss. What a magnificent look. Cow print, denim details, and the hat.
Woo-hoo!
Item 3, done. I feel like I forgot something. Oh, no. Ah!
Lali, help. My look isn't ready at all. I'm so nervous. I even know what dress I want. Look. Can you make something like this? But make it more fashionable.
Say no more. I know. I've got everything ready. This is the perfect fabric for the dress.
It's so stunning.
Cut the corset pattern. There, perfect. Let's try it on. It fits just right. Boo!
Ah!
It's just me.
Oh, you scared me.
We'll draw polka dots right here. Try it on now. Needs a fuller skirt. Let's add a tulle petticoat. I also have some lace trim. We'll run it along the bottom and decorate the corset. LaLiLu, perfect timing. We'll make a pattern on the corset with red.
Wow.
What else do we have? Oh, the sparkly fabric.
Perfect. We'll use it for the skirt.
And add puff sleeves.
And a necklace.
Wow, how gorgeous. Oh, a veil is exactly what we were missing. Come here. Stay still. Hey, we need that veil. Phew, barely caught it.
Put on the veil and the pink bonnet.
Now let me take a good look at you. And from the side, wow, you're absolutely slaying.
Such a delicate look. Thank you so much. This is exactly what I wanted.
So glad you love it. Let's check it off the list. On to the next item. And now, makeup time. Ta-da!
Great, that item's done too.
Oh, Woody is calling. Hey, Woody.
Lali, hurry. I need your help. I called you a cab and it's coming soon.
Got it. See you there.
And here's your cab.
This is the cab? Oh, cowboys. See ya, Bo. Lucky for you, I'm a professional designer, and I already sketched out your costume. Check it out.
Wow!
Let's get started. Take white fabric and trace the pants template. Just need to cut and sew. Done. Now let's make the shirt. Cut and sew again.
LaLiLu, look what I brought.
You're my right-hand helper. We'll make a vest from this fabric.
Yay, fitting time.
Put it on, Woody. Ooh, so handsome.
Something's missing. Of course, a jacket.
On it. Lay out our templates on the fabric. Cut all 3 pieces and sew them together. Done. Let's add accessories.
And a leather trim detail.
Great idea. Finishing touches. Adding shoes. So what do you think, Lali?
Something's off. Right, the hat doesn't work. But what can we make it from?
I know exactly what. Take white craft foam and draw a big circle. Cut it out. Then cut a round hole in the middle. Now we have the brim and top. Stick double-sided tape onto the paper and roll up a cylinder. Trim it to the right height and assemble the hat. To hold it together, seal it with hot glue. Done!
Wow, that's exactly what we needed. Let's try it on Woody.
Okay.
That slaps. Now let's decorate it a little.
1 second. I think this will work.
Great, you look so handsome, Woody.
Yeah, only something feels a little off.
What's wrong? Did I forget to take out a pin?
No. See? Now that's much better.
Oh, I see. LaLiLu, time to check this off the list. Phew, a little dizzy. Oh, who's this?
We're LaLiLu's assistants. We'll transport you to the craft room.
Great, they even arranged a ride for me.
We've arrived. Good luck.
Hey, Buzz. So, are you ready for the wedding?
Always ready.
You can't show up looking like that.
What's wrong with the suit?
This is a fashion disaster. Oh, what's this button? Oops.
Oh no!
Oh no, Buzz! Come in for a landing!
Phew. Please, don't press any more buttons.
Sorry about that.
Let's just start crafting.
We need to pick fabric. Maybe this one?
Nope.
Or this one?
Lali, take this.
No, that definitely won't work.
Oh, I really like this fabric.
Cool, how did I miss that? LaLiLu, can you help me out?
Of course. Lay out the fabric.
And here are the templates.
Awesome. Trace them onto the fabric.
Wow, these scissors are heavy.
Let me take those. Cut out 2 pieces and sew our pants together. Fitting time. Am I supposed to change right here?
Oh, come on. Here's a changing screen.
Still need a shirt.
We'll make one right now.
Cut it from white craft foam. Thank you. So, how do I look? Amazing. Let's add a collar, ranger badge, details, and buttons. Now the jacket.
Already made it.
Brilliant, Lali. Let's put it on. Add a fastening, and the look is complete.
Not quite. Just a couple more signature Buzz details.
Make some bright lapels. Cut them out.
And attach them right onto place. Add shoulder pieces, stripe accents, and the finishing touch, a bow tie. Ta-da!
Cool. But am I supposed to go barefoot?
Oh no, we forgot the shoes. What do we do?
No need to panic. We'll fix it right now.
Yay! Buzz, we're saved.
Excellent. A great look indeed. What do you say, guys?
Awesome.
Thank you, Lali.
Anytime. Let's check that off the list. The only thing left is the cakes. Oh, Jessie is calling. Hey, Jessie, how's the prep going?
Lali, it's a disaster. I'm so behind. Still need to make the cake. What am I gonna do? Help me!
Hey, no panicking. Let me think of something. Got it, a mystery dumpling. The perfect cake idea. LaLiLu, I need a kitchen.
Yeah, okay.
Great, take flour and 2 balloons. Here you go. Slay, thank you. Pour flour into the balloon. Phew, this is actually hard. Now tie it off. Done. Cut off the tail. Now we need to draw a face.
Draw the mystery dumpling's face. So what do you think?
That slaps. But we still need a cowboy hat just like this one. Do we have any chocolate?
Here.
Roll it out really flat. Help me out, LaLiLu.
Okay.
Cut out the brim. Attach it to the crown and pinch in the sides. Here, Lali, and a bandana.
Thanks for your help. We'll add a little cream on top. Now that actually looks like a real cake. A super original cowboy style wedding cake. Oh, how did you get here? There, let's go. Oh, wow, I understand why you called me over.
We want this cake. No, we want this one.
Mine is prettier.
And mine is better.
Give it back.
Okay, settle down. I'll sort this out. Let me take that. So, what do you think?
Wow, Lali, that's genius. Brilliant idea.
Okay, go rest. I'll take care of everything. So we need a very special wedding cake for Buzz and Bo. What can we make it from? No, that's not it. Flour? Too predictable. Big brain moment. We'll make the cake from air-dry clay and craft foam. Let's use this little box as the base. Empty it out. Now cut pink circles.
Here's the hole punch.
Thank you. Decorate one half of the cake with them and cover the other half with green craft foam. A couple more details. Now the second tier. Take a cardboard tube and set it on top. Too tall, let's trim it down. Score the craft foam and decorate the second tier. Oh, thank you. The perfect little toppers for our couple.
Are you thinking what I am thinking? Exactly. Then let's go.
What a beautiful cake we made. Time to check it off the list.
Quick, quick! The ceremony is about to start. Oh no, the venue isn't ready at all. What are we gonna do? Oh, everything is ruined. This is a total disaster.
Everyone calm down. I'll organize everything right now. First, let's tidy up this place. This is gonna be spotless in no time. You're gonna have the most amazing wedding arch. Oh, this will come in handy. Here, I'll be right back. Hello, delivery? I urgently need supplies. Come right over here. Perfect, start unloading. LaLiLu, help me!
First, build the arch frame from sushi sticks. Now need green air-dry clay and shape a little lily pad frog face. Add eyes, a mouth, a nose, and wrap the frame posts with pipe cleaner.
Let's add some color.
Let's do it. Take colorful bags, cut fringe into them, and hang them across the top.
Wow, what an amazing wedding arch! Okay, it's time! Welcome to the wedding ceremony! Let's welcome our first couple, Buzz Lightyear and Bo Peep.
Together forever.
Yay! Congratulations to the newlyweds!
Thank you.
Hooray! And our next couple, Jessie and Woody. Woo!
We make such a beautiful couple. Absolutely.
And now, the first dance. And here are the wedding cakes. Time to cut them.
Wow, what a cool design. What a cute combination.
And there are all the looks we created. Write in the comments which ones you loved the most.
See you next time.